So this is my blooming plant. Since I've been so busy leaving early in the morning working, the plant has, this plant needs lots of water to bloom. You see, this is how the plant blooms, so beautiful, and it's plant of nature and prayer. So this morning I'm off today, so I decided to do everything that my other plants. I'll show you guys, like the pineal plants. They are so living healthy, but this one takes a lot of water, and so I wanted to throw them away. I said no, you know I have to take the bad ones out. So this is just to teach you something, guys. When you stay around negative people, you start becoming negative. When you stay around people who does not value the presence of God, people who hate, people who are sinners, your life will start to die. So, but they said, remove the dead flowers, the dead plants from the good ones, and you will see the good ones will start to bloom. They start to come alive, because the ones that are, see all this, I have to, the ones that are depressing them, suffocating them, are the bad ones. So when bad people are out of your life, you will see that doors, things will start to work for you. So take away. Let's see how this plant comes back to life. So I'm gonna put the fresh water. Um, put the fresh water. You see how dry, and see what happened. So let's come back next week and see how this plant is doing. Okay, so I already taken the bad people out of this plant. I know why. So everything that is around us, nature teaches us a lot. So if you open your mind and learn, remember what Christ, when Yeshua was hungry, and he get to a tree, and thinking the tree was looking so good, and thinking the tree would bear fruit, and it has no fruit, and he cursed the tree. It was a fig tree, you know. So anything that is not working for you, take it out. Relationships, some people come in disguise, pretend